First we're going to remove the safety cover. Just apply pressure in the back. Next we're going to use our drill on a low torque setting to remove our screws. Alright, next you're going to remove your shield. There's a little lip right here. You're going to put a tool, you can use any sort of sharp tool, slide it along. Next you're going to remove your safety side covers. So the top cover has been disassembled. Next you're going to flip your machine over. We have 8 screws to remove. So again, on a low torque setting. Next, the top cover should carefully slide it off. The cover is still going to be attached to the control board. So you're going to undo the 2 bands, then you're all set.